Yes, hello people. Now, I've seen the picture. We have seen in reality what Ize-Iyamu, APC and their boys have been planning. All the boys that they have been giving millions of naira, they have done their job today. I was attacked. Look at my body. I was attacked. You can see, I had to run for my dear life. I had to join a taxi. This is taxi that is carrying me now. They deployed their cortis, they deployed their boys to front of the Oba Palace to prevent the governor and his entourage from entering the Oba Palace. So this is the update of what is happening. I was attacked, I was kicked. If not for the security agencies, men of the police that were there, I would have been killed there. I raised a post yesterday that my life is under threat. They were mentioning my name. Siaba. Tony Kabaka and his boys, his brother Ogie, with some other boys that I know, I saw them there. Egogo, there's one black boy, Egogo was there, Egogo was instigating violence. President Muhammadu Buhari, I think they are prepared to kill everybody in a door. They are prepared to bury everybody in a door. We will remain unperturbed. We remain committed to this cause. This is a fight for our future. It's a fight for our life, and we must make sure that we sustain it. Agberos cannot come back and take over the state. Details shortly. They are still there. If not for the security men that were there, they would have attacked the governor's convoy. Exactly what happened in Iyabo. That's what just happened again today in front of the Oba Palace. If they respect the Oba, if they respect our Oba, they would have deployed their men to go and embarrass the Oba's visitor. Enough is enough. The people they are going to kill, my life is all danger. They are trying to kill me. They are trying to kill my family. Start looking for their family abroad. They've got to hide their children abroad, their wife abroad. Start looking for them. PDP is power. Obaseki has given power to the people, and the people must stand behind the vacancy governor to sustain this power. In fact, what happened today shows that this one they are ready to follow. They are ready to kill everybody in the door to make Ize-Iyamu governor. Thank you very much. We will remain undeterred. We will continue. What do you want back? Are you okay? Come for the good front. They say you want back something. What do you want back? Thank you very much. PDP is power. Vote PDP in this forthcoming election. Vote Obaseki Shuaibu. When we defeat them, it's normal. It's normal. They know they don't have the people. That is why they resorted to violence. They know they don't have us. They resorted to violence. But we will defeat them. We will defeat them with our PVC. We will not resort to carrying arms. We will not fight them with anything. We are going to with our PVC. Thank you very much. Share this video until it gets to President Muhammadu Buhari. Share it until it gets to the IG. Share it until it gets to the director of SSS. These people, they are ready, and we are also ready for them with our PVC. Thank you very much. Vote Obaseki, vote Fini Shuaibu. PDP, power to the people. PDP.